What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back in the shop today. So like I said, the car we're going to try to focus on the most lately is going to be the Camry. We're going to try to get the engine bay cleaned up and degreased as much as we can. There's a lot of grease, let's just put it that way. Yes, I cut off all my hair. I know I look like a skinhead. I promise I'm not. Our first order of business is we've got to move my buddy John's TL out of the way, so he's got to throw the wheels on and move it out. And then we've got to attach the spindles back to the coilovers to get the wheels back on the Camry. And then we get to push that thing out. I'm so excited to push the car today. I am so excited. With that being said, we're gonna get to work and we will catch you guys once we get the car outside. All right, so luckily for us, my buddy John was just dialing in some suspension stuff, so we're able to get the wheels just thrown back on the car. I just gotta find which lug holes this is. Oh, not that one. That's what I love about 10-hole wheels. You gotta figure out which ones it is. There we go. I'm gonna throw these lugs back on real quick and get it off the jack stands, and then luckily for us, he left the key, so I can just roll it out. Because otherwise, we'd have to push this one too. And like I said, I love pushing cars. It's my favorite pastime. All right, now we just gotta get the jack and we'll get it rolled outside. Well guys, a little bit of an unforeseen circumstance. That pressure washer is kaput. It's got power to the cord, but it won't power on, and the nozzle is also busted. So I'm gonna have to go run home real quick. We're running out of time. We've got dinner with her parents tonight, so she's probably gonna maybe vacuum out the inside. She's gonna do like a little touchless spray down with the degreasers, let it sit for a few minutes, and then just rinse it off, and then we'll get the pressure washer and really hit it and then scrub some of it. If worse comes to worse and we have to come up here another day to finish it up, it is what it is. I won't make a video on that. We'll just leave it as is and show you how much we got done today. But I'm gonna leave the camera with her, so if she has anything she's gonna film, I'm sure you'll see it. If not, you guys will see me back here in just a little bit with my pressure washer that for sure works, and we can really get some work done then. Well, as you can hear, got the pressure washer going. A whole bunch of our other shop mates and buddies showed up. Come to find out, they all knew that this thing was broken, and he's the one with the TL. He is. And he even is like, oh cool, we're gonna be pressure washing the Camry. Completely forgot to tell me that that pressure washer is dead. But no big deal. As you can see, she's getting quite a bit of it off. Just a preliminary spray down. We'll spray more degreaser on it and, you know, scrub it down and do all that stuff here shortly once she gets her first round through going, and then we'll spray it down again, maybe do one more if we have the time, and if not, well, we'll just leave it as it is and finish it up later. Well guys, that's about it. I know there wasn't a lot of action in this video. Got as much of this dirt off as we can. As you can see, you can actually see most of the frame, you know, on the subframe right there. There's still some dirt like this that we'll end up wiping this all down. Anything that's left underneath the power steering rack is not going to be a huge deal because that one's coming out in favor of a used but much better condition one. We were able to get most of the dirt from up underneath there. And there's still little bits that have to be pressure washed down once everything's not coated and cleaner. But most of the stuff down there is clean. Like I said, stuff like that's just gonna be, you know, wiped down with some spray detailer and such like that. But everything else came out pretty good. I mean, there's some, like I said, not much you can really do when there's literally a 1/4 inch worth of just, I mean, it was like mud, and it's not even mud, it's grease just from an axle seal that was going out and a steering shaft. But we're gonna get the car pushed back in, and then I think that's gonna do it. So, oh look, a leprechaun. That's not going in the video. Anyways, until next time, hopefully gonna have another one posted next week involving that. We don't talk about that one, but until then, y'all take it easy. I'll see you next time.